Hello, this is Corey from No More Tire Changers. Today I'm going to be breaking the bead on this Harley Davidson wheel and tire using our new No More Tire Changer, the HD Max. So to break the bead on this tire changer and any of our tire changers with the waist level bead breaker, you want to take the back block and move it to the hole with the yellow spot on the frame. What that does is centers the bead breaker directly over the block. So the easiest way to break the bead is, of course, let the air out of the tire. I'm using our cable tool, which has a valve core remover. Going to let all the air out. Once all the air is out, you can either leave the core out or put it back in. I choose to put it back in at this point. That way it doesn't get misplaced. Pull your bead breaker up. You want to make sure the bead breaker is straight up and down. You don't want it leaning forward. If the wheel is too far forward, leaning forward. You don't want it leaning back. You want it straight up and down. Get the non-marring bead breaker as close to the wheel as possible. Press down, break the bead. From that point, I push the tire down. So it's evenly spaced all the way off the wheel. Flip it over and repeat with the other side. There you have it, the bead is broken. Now the tire is ready to be clamped into a posi clamp because this is a Harley wheel. You cannot use these blocks on this type of wheel.